Anita and I decided we were going to go out this weekend for a quick camping trip to the desert just east of San Diego. It was pretty nice. It was about 70 degrees outside, not too hot, and we brought the pug and Hunter with us. Hope you like this video. Taking a quick hike to see the pictographs. Pretty amazing to see this artwork, knowing that thousands of years old, and how the Native Indians lived during that time and how they communicated, and standing in this exact spot. The drone was one of the best gifts I've ever received. So far we've enjoyed using it, and as you can see, we're able to capture scenery and look up over the mountain ridges and scout for campsites. They're endless right now. We're still still using it and trying to get used to it, but so far it's just been amazing.
Mejja.
Pug is always a joy to ride with. She's always huffing and puffing like this the entire time. Rarely sleeps. On the other hand, Hunter in the back, he sleeps so well. He looks up every once in a while.
Why did you want to come out from underneath the trailers, huh? Let's go home.
The best thing about having a four-wheel drive is you're able to take the off-road tracks to see a lot of the scenery. The other attractions are so crowded with people that the truck affords us an opportunity to get away. Warning signs are no joke. Things will reach out and grab you in a second. The scenery was amazing. You can see the San Bernardino Mountains in the background there, with the Joshua trees in the forefront. Pretty amazing. On the ride home, we decided to stop off in the Badlands. And these are pretty amazing. We're planning on coming back to this area and spending a few nights and exploring the canyons here. But it's pretty spectacular. Well, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next adventure. Bye.